Hello everyone. In this video, we will be solving another problem from LeetCode. So the problem is called group sold products by date. So we are given an activities table. In that we have two columns, sell date and product. Each row of this table contains the product name and the date it was sold in the market. So we have to write a solution to find for each date the number of different products sold and their names. The sold product names for each date should be sorted lexicographically. And then we have to return the result table ordered by sell date. So this is the input table, activities table, and this is the output that we want. So as you can see, on 30th of May, there were three products which were sold: headphone, basketball, and t-shirt. So we want them in a comma separated list. And the number of, and we also want the count. So that means three products were sold on 30th of May. On 1st of June, as you can see, pencil and rubber Bible was sold. So Bible and pencil is present here and count is 2. On 2nd of June, mask was sold, but we want distinct products. So the count is 1 and we have mask once only. So there are a couple of things that we need to take care of in this. First of all, we should know how to create this column, the products column, with the items separated by comma. The second thing that we should understand is how we are going to sort them in the lexicographical order. As you can see, basket B comes first, then H, and then T. So t-shirt should not come before headphone or basketball. So it should be sorted. So let's see. So what we will do is let's write the query. So we'll do a select, sell date, and we want the count. So let's count product and let's call this number of items sold, and we will use the function called string aggregate. So it takes two parameters. First is the column that you want to aggregate, and how do you want to separate the products. So I want to separate the products using comma, and we will call this as products. From activities, group by, sell date, order by, sell date. So let's check the test case, and it failed because, as you can see, okay, sorry, product should not be inside quotes. So let's run this again. Yeah. So as you can see here, we are getting number of sold items on 2nd of June as 2 because mask has 2 entries. But we want one in the output and we want mask once in the products column. So what we can do is let's create a temp table. Let's with T1 as, and we'll do a select distinct sell date comma product from activities, and we will call this T1. Now let's run this again, and it is accepted. So now let's submit the solution, and all the test cases are passed. But I'm not sure if they don't have the test case to actually test this, that the items, these items should be sorted in lexicographical order. But let's suppose if you face this issue, what you have to do is you just have to write here within group, order by product, and it will actually take care of the sorting, this part. So if I run this, so it is, so it passed. But yeah, so they don't have a test case to actually test this condition. So, but still, it was a good problem. And it is a very commonly asked problem in interviews. So I hope you guys understood. So if I just reiterate, what we have done is, first of all, we just deleted the duplicates. And after that, we calculated the count of each product sold on that particular date. And we use the string aggregate function to get this comma separated list. So it takes two columns, the column on which we want to do the aggregation and how we want to separate the products inside that column. So we are separating them by comma. And if we also want to sort them lexicographically, we will use the within group order by product as products, and from table T1, and then we have done the group by, and then we sorted the results by cell date. So I hope you guys understood how we solve this problem. But still, if you have any queries or any doubts, you can post them in the comment section and I will try to resolve them. I will also paste the link to this problem in the description section so that you guys can practice. Thank you.